So to make robotic hand, we will need some 3D parts, one Arduino Nano, one servo motor, one adapter of 5 volt and 1 ampere, and some wires. So first we'll take the 3D parts and try to proper connect them. Then we will stick the battery holder with the help of super glue. Now we will connect the servo motor to the thumb of the robotic hand. We will fix it with the help of screw. So now we will use adapter to power the servo motor and also the Arduino Nano. First we will connect the positive and negative of servo motor and the adapter, and we will also extend the wires so we can directly connect with the help of jumper wire to the Arduino board. We will connect the signal cable of the servo motor. Now we will connect positive to 5 volt of the Arduino and negative to the ground of the Arduino, and the yellow signal pin to the 9 number of Arduino. You can connect the signal pin anywhere and just check in the code. That's it. You can find the code in the description.